Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you, welcome to class 3 in Atmiya Green School. My name is Prajakta and I am a math teacher. Now we will start our lesson number 5, multiplication. So student, before starting our today's topic, first we will see what you had learned our last classes. So student, all of you know very well what you had learned our last classes. So first you had learned about the table. So which table you had learned from 2 to 10? We had learned about the table from 2 to 10. Then after we had learned the property of multiplication. So which is the property of multiplication? First property of multiplication. When we multiply two number. The order in which we multiply them does not matter. The product remain the same. When we are taking the two number and then after we are changing the order of the number, does not matter, always we will get answer is the same. So now look at here one example, 6 into 4 and 4 into 6. Now look at here changing the order of number, then both time is the answer is getting is the same, 24. So this is property number 1. Then property number 2, when the product of number and 1 is the number itself. The product of a number and 1 is the itself. When we are multiply 1 in any number, we will get answer is the itself number. So some example is here. One example, look at here, 4 into 1 equal to 4. So this is the property number 2. Then property number 3, product of a number and 0 is 0. When we are multiply 0 in any number, we will get answer is the 0. This is the property number 3. Then property number 4, when you multiply three number, you can group them in any order. The product always the same. The product is always the same. When we are taking the three number, how many number? Three numbers, and then after we will make the group of two number and one is number writing outside. So always we will get the answer is the same. So now here is the one example, which is the number 2, 3 or 5. So now look at here. First is the 3 and 4 writing in the group and 5 is writing outside. So we'll get answer 60. 4 and 5, this is the writing in the group and 3 is writing in the outside. So we'll get answer 60. 3 and 5 writing in the group and 4 is writing outside. So we'll get answer 60. 4 and 3 is writing in the group and 5 is writing outside. So we'll get answer 60. So this is property number 4. Then after we had learned the multiplication without regrouping, multiplication with regrouping. In this topic we had learned 2 digit multiply 1 digit with regrouping. Then after 3 digit multiply 1 digit with regrouping ones. 3 digit multiply 1 digit with regrouping twins. Then after we had learned the multiplication by 10, 20, 30 up to 90, multiply 100, 200 up to 900 and multiply 1000, 2000, 3000 up to 9000. So in this topic what we had learned? In this topic we had learned the when we are multiply 10, 20, 30 up to 90, multiply the number 1, 2, 3 up to 9 and put a 0 right of the product, because in the in the 10 to 90 have a 1 0 in the right side. So after multiply the number we will put the 1 0. Then 100, 200 up to 900 have a 2 0. So when we are multiply this number, first we will multiply whichever the number and put the 2 0 in the right side. And now in the 1000, 2000, 3000 up to 9000 have a 3 0 in the right side. So when we are multiply 1000, 2000, 3000 up to 9000 in any number, first we will multiply whatever the number and then we will put the 3 0 in the right side. So this is. Then after we had learned the distribution property of multiplication over the addition. So in this topic we had learned the one example. Now look at here example number 7 into 12. What is the number? 7 into 12. That 12 we will be divided into the two numbers. Which two number? 12 can be written as 10 plus 2. 12 we will written as 10 plus 2. Now look at here 7 into, now in the bracket 10 plus 2. What is the writing in the bracket? 10 plus 2. Now we will do multiplication. 7 into 10. Now in the middle is, this is multiplication sign. So 7 into 10. Then we will put the, this is the addition sign in the here, and then again 7 into 2. So 7 into 10 equal to 70, and middle sign is the plus, and 7 into 2 equal to 14. After adding that both number, how much getting? We will get answer is the 84. So this is our one example. Then after we had learned the 2-digit multiplication. In this topic we had learned the one short method. Now this is the example number 2. Here is the 3-digit multiply 3-digit multiply 2-digit number. So this is like that a 2-digit number. So now look at here one example. 234 multiplied by 35. 234 multiplied by 35. Now 234, this is the 3-digit number, and 35, this is the 2-digit number. So now we will start multiplication. 5 into 4, 20. So 0 is writing and 2 is the carry. 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So 7 is writing and 1 is the carry. 3 into 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So how much writing? 11. 234 multiplied by 5. Now in the 5 is over. Now that 3 is the place of 10. So we will put 0 in the 1 place. We will put 0 in the 1 place. Now 3 into 4, 12. So 2 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So how much getting answer? 7020. Now we will do addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 7, 8. So how much getting answer? 8190. How much getting answer? 8190. So now look at here. First we are multiply 5 in all number. Then after we are multiply 30. Why 30? Because 3 is the place of 10. So in the 5 place we will put 0. Now 234 multiplied by 35. So how much getting? 234 multiplied by 5 plus 234 multiplied by 30. So we will get answer is the 8190. So this is example. Now look, we will solve our exercise 5.9. Multiply question number A. From question number A, one number, look at here. 218 multiplied by 45. 218 multiplied by 14. So now look at here. 8 into 5. 8 into 5, 40. So 0 is writing and 4 is the carry. Now 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. So we are writing 9 here. 5 into 2, 10. So we are writing here 10. So now we will start second number. This is 4 is the place of 10. So we will put 0 in the 1 place. Now 4 into 8. 4 into 8, 32. So 2 is writing here and 3 is the carry. 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. And 4 into 2, 8. So now we will do addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 2, 11. So 1 is writing and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 7, 8. And 1 plus 8, 9. So how much getting answer? 9810. How much getting answer? 9810. This is one number. Now look at here example number 2. 146 multiplied by 33. 146 multiplied by 33. Now we will start addition. 3 into 6, 18. So 1 is writing. 3 into 6, 18. So 8 is writing and 1 is the carry. 3 into 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, so 3 is writing and 1 is the carry. 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So how much getting? 438. Now we will put 0 in the ones place. Now we will put 0 in the one place because that 3 is the place of tens. Now 3 into 6, 18, so 1 is writing here and 1 is the carry. Now 3 into 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, so 3 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So how much getting answer? 4380. Now we will do addition. 8 plus 0, 8, then 3 plus 8, 11, so 1 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, so we will get 8 and 4 is a 4. So how much getting answer? 4. How much getting answer? 4818. 4818. This is example number 2. Now look at here example number 3. What is the example number 3? 309 multiplied by 24. 309 multiplied by 24. So now we will start multiplication. 4 into 9, 36. So 6 is writing here and 3 is the carry. 4 into 0, 0, 0 plus 3, 3. Now 4 into 3, 12. So we are writing here 12. Now how much getting answer? 1236. 1236. Now we will do second number. So that 2 is the place of 10. So we will put 0 in the 1 place. 2 into 9, 18. So 8 is writing here and 1 is the carry. Now 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Now 2 plus 3, 6. So how much getting answer? 6180. How much getting answer? 6180. Now we will do addition. 6 plus 0, 6, 8, 3 plus 8, 11. So 1 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So how much getting? 4. 1 plus 6, 7. So how much getting answer? 7416. 7416. This is example number 4. Now look at here example number 5. 290 multiplied by 32. 290 multiplied by 32. So now we will start multiplication. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 9, 18. So 8 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So we are writing here 5. So how much getting answer? 580. Now we will put 0 in the one place because that 3 is the place of tens. So now 3 into 0, 0, 9. 3 into 9, 27. So 7 is writing here and 2 is the carry. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So how much getting answer? 8700. Now we will do addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 0, 8. 5 plus 7, 12. So 2 is writing here and 1 is the carry and 1 plus 8, 9. So how much getting answer here? 9280. 9280. This is the example number 4. Now look at here example number 5. 703 multiplied by 13. 703 multiplied by 30. So now we will start our multiplication. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 7, 21. So how much getting answer? 2109. 2109. So now we start multiplication from the 10 place and 10 place value is the 1. So we will put 0 in the 1 place. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 0, 0. 7 into 1, 1 into 7, 7. So how much getting answer? 7030. So now we will start multiplication. 9 plus 0, 9. 0 plus 3, 3. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 7, 9. So how much getting answer? 9139. 9139. Now example number 6. What is the example number 6? Example number 6 is the 425 multiplied by 23. 425 multiplied by 23. So now we will start our multiplication. 3 into 5, 15. So 5 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Now 3 into 4, 12. So we are writing here 12. So how much getting answer? 1275. 1275. Now we will do second number. Second number is the 2 and that 2 is the place of 10. So we will put 0 on the 1 place. 2 into 5, 10. So we will put 0 here and 1 is the carry. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Now 2 into 4, 8. So now we will start addition. How much getting that answer is the 8500. Now look at here. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 0, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 8, 1 plus 8, 9. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. So how much getting answer? We will get answer is the 9775. 9775 we are getting the answer. Okay. So here by mistakenly I wrote all early 8. So here is the 9775. Again look at here. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 0, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 8, 9. So how much getting answer? 9775. Now example number 7. 682 multiplied by 14. 682 multiplied by 14. So now we will start our multiplication. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 8, 32. So 2 is writing here and 3 is the carry. Now 4 into 6, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. So how much getting answer? 2728. 2728. Now next number is the 1. 1 is the place of 10. So we'll put 0 in the 1 place. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 8, 8. 1 into 6, 6. So how much getting answer? 6820. 6820. So now we will start our addition. 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 7 plus 8, 15. So 5 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. So how much getting answer? 9548. 9548. This is the answer. Now example number 8. What is the example number 8? 349 multiplied by 28. 349 multiplied by 28. So now we will start our multiplication. 8 into 9. 8 into 9, 72. So 2 is writing here and 7 is the carry. 8 into 4, 32. 32 plus 7, 39. So 9 is writing here and 3 is the carry. 8 into 3, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. So we are writing here 27. So how much getting answer? We are getting the answer 2792. 2792. Now next number is the 2. 2 is the place of 10. So we'll put 0 in the 1 place. 2 into 9, 18. So 8 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Now 2 into 3, 6. So how much getting answer? 6980. 6980. Now we will start our addition. 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 8, 17. So 7 is writing and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. So 7 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 3. 1 is the carry. 1 plus 2, 3 and 3 plus 6 equal to 9. How much getting? 9. So how much getting answer our? 9772. 9772. So this is our example number 8. This is, look at here one time. This is exercise. Question number A. First answer is the 9810. Then second answer is the 4818. Then 7416. 9280. 9139. 9775. 9548 and 9772. This is the answer we are getting in example number A. Now look at here example number B. Work out this in your exercise book, where you do in the exercise book. So now look at here example number 1. What is the example number 1? 249 multiplied by 29. 249 multiplied by 29. So now we will start our multiplication in the book. What is the example number 1? Example number 1 is the 249. What is the example number 1? 249 multiplied by 29. By mistakenly I told 2000, but here is the 249 multiplied by 29. 249 multiplied by 29. So now we will start our multiplication. 9 into 9, how much student? 9 into 9, 81. So 1 is writing here and 8 is the carry. Now 9 into 8, 9 into 8, 36. 36 plus 8 equal to 44. So 4 is writing here and 4 is the carry. 9 into 2, 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. How much? 22. Now we will put 0 and first how much getting answer? 2241. Now we will put 0 in the one place because that 2 is the place of 10. Now 2 into 9, 18. So 8 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Now 2 plus 2, 4. So how much getting answer? 4980. Now we will start our addition. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1. 4 plus 8, 12. So 1 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 4 plus 8, 12. So 2 is writing here and 1 is the carry. Now 1 plus 2, 3 and 3 plus 9, 12. So 2 is writing here and 1 is the carry. Now 1 plus 2, 3 and 3 plus 4, 7. So how much getting answer? 7221. Again one time look at in this example. 249 multiplied by 29. 249 multiplied by 29. So now look at here. 9 into 9, 81. So 1 is writing here and 8 is the carry. 9 into 4, 9 into 4, 36. 36 plus 8, 44. So 4 is writing here and 4 is the carry. 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 22. So 2 is writing here. First 2 will get answer 2241. Now we will put 0 in the one place because that 2 is the place of tens. Now 2 into 9, 18. So 8 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 2 plus 2, 4. So now we will start addition. 1 plus 0, 1. 4 plus 8, 4 plus 8, 12. So 2 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9 equal to 12. So 2 is writing here and 1 is the carry. Now 1 plus 2, 3 and 3 plus 4, 7. So how much getting answer? 7000. 7,221. How much getting answer? 7,221. So this is exercise 5.9 question number B. From question number 2 we will be see in our next period. So I hope all of you nicely understood our exercise 5.9 multiplication question number A and 5.9 B. Work out this in your exercise book question number 1. Question number 2 from 2 we will be see in our next period. Thank you and have a nice day.